Good morning. It's Tuesday, the start of our short 4-day week, and I wanted to just talk about this week what we're covering. This is statistical graphs, and so a lot of statistics is gathering the data, organizing the data, and analyzing the data. And in order to analyze the data, we often use several different graphics. I'm sure you've seen lots of these. You'll see that I have 2 videos this week. You also have a quiz and a discussion. I've also linked 2.3 and 2.4 together into one homework, so that's not a separate homework. One thing you'll see this week at the very top is GroupMe app. The GroupMe app is an app on my phone, and I'm able to communicate with students very quickly and easily. It's almost like texting. I can also take pictures, so if you have a question about a homework, I can work it on paper and take a picture. I can also post short videos. It's just a really quick and easy way for our class to communicate. I highly suggest you download that app and join me. Rather let that be the default. If you find that you don't like it, then you of course can remove yourself from the group at any time. But I think most of the time students really like it. So I encourage you to do that this week and give it a try. Just check it. You can have notifications or not, just whatever your preference is. So have a great week and let me know if you have any questions.